guys, today I'm gonna do a review on, Nubbins and Hitchhiker figures from NECA. And, I mean, look at this. Oop. Look at that. This is, the Hitchhiker, I guess you could say. Or Nubbins, because technically Nubbins and the Hitchhiker, they're both the same person. So, yeah, look at this. That's so spot on. The face, the sculpt. Look at that, looks just like it. And that knife, too. He's got a pocket knife, I guess. And, the bag, the little fur bag thing that he puts his stuff inside. And he's got that camera right there. And this is so cool, bro. Like, and look at this. We even got the knife, the razor. And let me just show you real quick what I can do. Hold on a sec. Okay, that it can open up. That. So yeah, I can open up like in the movie. And what's cool is that you can put it inside here, like in the movie. You can put it right inside his shoes. Hold on. Alright, I got it inside there. Look at that. That's so cool. It's kinda lopsided, but yeah. And then I have his hand is, hold on, I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm sorry, I have to do this all the time, cause I can't put my camera probably well. Alright, look at that. Look how cool that is. You got his bleeding hand like in the sorry about that. Back. You got his bloodied hand where he cut himself. Yeah, he cut himself, and then this is the knife he cut himself with. So it's kind of cool that you can recreate this scene. Yeah, and it's for like cool poses. Yeah. My head's it's kinda loose. I don't know if that's with all of the other copies of this, but I mean, it's not really a big deal, but you know. And then we have the Nubbins puppet. This is, well, it's basically the same as the Hitchhiker. This is him in Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. This is his corpse, you could say, since he died in the first film by a truck. And look at that, oh my god, look at this. That's so nasty, but so cool. Looks just like in the movie. You got like a red eye, a blue eye, and then like, you got his little hairs here. And you still have the pouch thing. He has no feet. God. I'm not even sure if he had any legs, or I'm sorry, I mean feet in the movie, but yeah, it's still cool. It's still a cool masterpiece, you know. And look at this. He's got like this white and brown jacket. It's kind of baggy, but still cool nonetheless. And you can see, look at that. Look at all this, the stitch. There's holes everywhere. Yeah. And you can also make other figures. Hold on. I'm sorry, I'm keeping you so long. Come on. Alright. So, I got my leather face here, and those strap things under the legs were actually supposed to be for a figure's feet to hold, like to keep balance on. And the hands here, yeah, he has some straps here too. I couldn't get that because they were too low from Leatherface's hands. Yeah, and I think this joint thing here, right here, I think that's for a hand. Like, you take off a hand and you put the joint on the whole of the hand, but I don't want to do that. So, and yeah, it's a cool figure. These are cool figures. Well, yeah. Well, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little review. So, bye guys, and I can't wait to see you next time. I might do more of these. So, bye.